Okay, hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing video of Union Achilles A5. I'm kind of shocked they didn't do something like whatever the name was supposed to be, but yeah. A balance type again, right spin, D77 and TH12 for the driver. Let's get into this unboxing, and kind of excited because I heard this one was pretty OP. Here's the code. There we go. You can take these off. Oh god, autofocus, sorry. Well, that's a pretty heavy disc. That's gonna be pretty fun to use. It's like it's kind of like a zero. And it is a starter pack too. That's what I think about the starter pack. So let's weigh, oh sorry about that, and I do have my long tape. So let's weigh the parts. Let's go with the gotcha chip. Gotcha chip. 3 grams. Weight, 4 grams. Litter, 9 grams. Disc, 19 grams. And finally, driver. And it's 9 grams, so yeah. I'm going to take it on and off with the weight. With the actual extra piece, the weight is 45 grams in total with this. And without, let's see, it's probably going to be lighter. That's what it looks like without. Okay. 40 grams. So let's do test launch. Okay, let's go. And not a lot of stickers on this though. That's the only bad thing about this bay. Okay. Test launch and probably a quick little battle. Maybe, yeah, probably a battle. With some of the previous bays I got in. I'm going to do one test launch and, yeah. There's in this one, so. There we go. Let's do a quick little test battle. Actually, let's use my TT launchers so I can actually do double launch. I need to fix this though. Cheers. Okay. And loses. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.